Cartographia IAS proudly presents संपूर्ण UPPSC 60 days crash course जो आपको देता है 90 questions की written guarantee, else your money will be refunded. Yes, SART then or UP in. In this you will get 140 plus classes, total 15 tests, 300 plus maps, separate UPGK classes and 100% current affairs. Special features of this course includes live interactive class, one-to-one teacher-student interaction, 24 hours group for doubt resolution, experienced and result-oriented faculty. कार्टोग्राफिया IAS आपके लिए लेकर आया है 60 दिन में UPPSC क्रैक करने का सबसे अलग और नया तरीका P2M टेक्निक, दैट इज बुक टू मैप। इसके थ्रू आपका मैक्सिमम सिलेबस मैप की हेल्प से कराया जाएगा। आपकी फोटोजेनिक मेमोरी का यूज करके स्टैटिक सब्जेक्ट्स और करंट अफेयर्स इनोवेटिव तरीके से कवर कराए जाएंगे। Along this, there will be separate focus on NCERT, previous year questions, official website coverage, and a lot more. This wonderful course will be taught by our experienced faculties who have themselves written UPPSC examinations, who will help you score minimum 90 questions with a written guarantee, else you get your money back. This flagship course comes in exciting price. Hurry up for special discounts. Keep studying and stay safe.